Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. In this video, we will see to fix the mentioned problem in the title of the video. After installing GSI, you will end up facing issues in the audio, Volte and other things. Why I am making it as a separate video is that all the solutions are already baked by Phh, so you can access those under settings, Phh Treble Settings. So in this video, we will see how to fix those. First, enable double tap to wake up. All of you know how double tap to wake works. When it's unlocked, you can double tap the screen and it turns on. So how to enable it? Just go to settings, under Phh Treble Settings, select Xiaomi features and enable DT2W. This will enable the feature as you see. Second, fixing Bluetooth audio. To fix the Bluetooth audio, go to settings, under Phh settings, select MISC features. In the another section, enable force disable A2DP offload and then restart the phone to reflect the changes. Three, fixing call audio. To fix the call audio, go to settings, under Phh Treble Settings, select Qualcomm feature. Inside that, select both use alternate audio policy and disable sound volume effect. Now we'll see how to enable 90 Hz. Go to settings, under Phh Treble Settings, select miscellaneous features. There under display section, select force FPS. Choose the option 1080 to 400 at 90. Doing this hopefully enables 90 Hz. You can choose another option to use it as 60 Hz. Last but not least, how to fix the Volte. Well, go to settings, under Phh Treble Settings, select IMS features. First, enable both request IMS network and force the presence of 4G calling settings. After that, select install IMS APK for Qualcomm vendor. Selecting this will download the IMS app. Just wait. Once it is downloaded, select install. After installing, you need to restart your device. Now you will be able to make calls using Volte in Jio. I don't have Airtel to test this. That's what about fixing the common issues. Still, there is one major issue is that when you reduce the brightness low, the screen become dark and invisible. For this, you need to install Magisk patch. I am currently in process of doing that. I will post the video as soon as it is recorded. Until then, don't reduce the brightness till the end. If you have done it, just restart the device. Also, I would suggest enabling auto brightness. Thanks for watching. If you are a new Redmi Note 11 user, please visit our Note 11 development journey series for more videos. Quote motto.